Hi students, welcome to Pallavi Maths Hub and welcome to live session. In this session, I'm going to discuss about GDPI Kolara Apis Model Question Paper Set 4. Previously, we discussed Set 2, Set 3, Set 1. Today, we are going to discuss about Set 3 paper, Set 4. Okay. First question is, the solution of the pair of equation x minus 2, x minus y is equals to 2 and x plus y is equals to 4. They given four choices, substitute the values. First option is 3, 1. Second option is 4, 3. Third option is 5, 1. Fourth option is minus 1, minus 3. So I will go for option A. Option A is 3 minus 1. Substitute your x value is 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Yes, you are getting answer. Here 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Yes, you are getting answer. So which option is right? Option A is correct. Next, second sum. Here, the pair of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. If a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 not equals to b1 by b2, then the equations have. So your a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2. So how many solutions? Only one solution. This unique solution. Next, third question. The line represented by the equation 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equals to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 is equals to 0 are dashed. So a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. Substitute the values. a1 is 2 by a2 is 4, b1 by b2 is 3 by 6, which is equals to c1 by c2 is 9 by 18. When you divide this one, you will get 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2. So which option is right? All are equal. A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2. Then lines are coincident lines. So which option is right? Option D is correct. Next sum. Fourth one. If the pair of linear equation x plus 2y is equals to 3 and 2x plus 4y is equals to k are dependent pair, then the value of k is dash. So they give a dependent pair. Dependent pair means solution is there. So a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. Here k is present in constant. K is in c place. Is it right? So group only these two terms. Substitute b1 is 2 divided by b2 is 4, which is equals to c1 is 3 divided by c2 is k. Simplify this one, you will get 2k is equals to 3 into 4. So k is equals to 3 into 4 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are 3 twos are 6. So which option is right? Option B is correct. Next sum, if nth term of an arithmetic progression is an is equals to 5n minus 2, then its common difference is dash. Common difference means d is equals to a2 minus a1. The given here an is equals to 5n minus 2. So write it here. An is equals to 5n minus 2. First find out a1. a1 is equals to 5 into 1 minus 2. 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. The value of a1 is 3. And similarly find a2. 5 into the value of n is 2 minus 2. 5 twos are 10 minus 2 is equals to 8. So substitute here the value of a2 is 8 minus a1 is 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. So which option is right? So option D is correct. So common difference is 5. So option D is correct. Next sum. Fifth question is, if 5 comma x comma y comma 14, okay, are in arithmetic progression, then the value of y is dash. They given first term a is equals to 5, okay, and a1 is equals to a is equals to 5, a2 is equals to x, a3 is equals to y, a4 is equals to 14. A4, you can write that one as a plus 3d. Is it right? Yes, 14 is equals to the value of a. The value of a is 5, this one. 5 plus 3d. So 14 minus 5 is equals to 3d. 14 minus 5 is 9 is equals to 3d. D is equals to 9 by 3, which is equals to 3. So you will get D is equals to 3. But what is the question mark? Value of y is dash. So y means you need to find out a3. Is it right? So a3 is equals to a plus 2d. Value of a3 is y is equals to the value of a is 5 plus 2 into the value of d is 3. So 5 plus 2 3 is a 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. So which option is right? Option A is correct. So you need to find out only the value of y. No need to find out all the x. You no need to find out the value of x. Only y is enough. Next question. Fifth question. Sorry, sixth one. If 5 comma x comma. Sorry, this one is forward. Next question. Seventh question is, the 30th term of the arithmetic progression. 30th term of the arithmetic progression, you need to find out. The given progression is 10, 7, 4, dash, dash, dash. Here A is equals to 10 first term, D is equals to A2 minus A1. A2 is 7 minus A1 is 10. 7 minus 10 is minus 3. 30th term, N is equals to 30. So an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the values. A value is 10 plus n value is 30, you need to find out. 30 minus 1 into d value is minus 3. So it will become 10 plus into minus 29 into 3. So it will become 10 minus 9 3 so 27 to carry 9 3 2s are 6 7 8. 10 minus 87 is minus 77. Which option is right? Option C is correct. Next sum. 8th question. Two arithmetic progression have the same common difference. Here, main thing is two arithmetic progression. Two arithmetic progressions are there having same common difference. If the first term A of the progression is 10 and that of the other is 6, I will consider first arithmetic progression. First term I will consider is 10. Another one is A2 is equals to 6. Difference between the third term. Okay. So here A1 plus n minus 1 into d, because d is common difference, same the given. Again here first term is changing, a2 plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute the value of a1 is 10 plus third term, n value become 3. 3 minus 1 into d is equals to a2 is 6 plus n value is again 3 minus 1 into d. So here plus 3 minus 1 into d, here this one get cancelled. 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 is equals to 4. So difference means minus. Okay. A3 for third term. Difference is 4. So which option is right? Option A is correct. Next sum. Next 9th question. The sum of first n terms of the arithmetic progression is 4n minus n square. Then its third term, okay, third term is dash. You need to find out a3, okay. And we know the formula. What is that formula? an is equals to sn minus sn minus 1. You need to find out a3. Then n value become a3, n value become 3, and here s3 minus s3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is s2. Is it right? Yes. Find out S3 and S2. The given Sn, sum of the n terms, the given Sn is equals to 4n minus n square. So S2 is equals to 4 into 2 minus 2 square. 4 2s are 8 minus 2 2s are 4, which is equals to 4 S2. Similarly, find S3 is equals to 4 into, in the place of n, 3 minus 3 square. 4 3s are 12 minus 3 3s are 9. 12 minus 9 is 3. Substitute the value of S3. Here the value of S3 is 3 minus S2 is 4. So which is equals to minus 1. Which option is right? Option C is correct. Next, the coefficient of x. You need to find out the coefficient of x. In the quadratic equation, x square minus 2x is equals to minus 2 into 3 minus x. When it is reduced to the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. First, you need to reduce this equation to the standard form. Standard form is this one. And find out the coefficient of x. First, reduce this one, x square minus 2x. Next, multiply this one, which is equals to minus 2 3s are 6, minus into minus, plus 2 1s are 2x. So it will become x square minus 2x. Take to left hand side, it will become minus 2x plus 6 is equals to 0. So x square minus 2 minus 2x, here also minus is there. So minus 2x is minus 4x plus 6 is equals to 0. Here coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is minus 4. So which option is right? Option B is correct. Next sum. 11th question. If one root of the quadratic equation x square minus 3x minus 10 is equals to 0 is minus 2. Then the another root is dash. The given x square minus 3x minus 10. So do factorization. Minus 10. 5 2s are 10. Here minus, here plus. Okay. So x square in the place of minus 3x, put minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equals to 0. Just I am splitting this number, middle number. Okay. Remaining is group first two term, next two term. In first two term, x is common, remaining is x minus 5. In next two term, plus 2 is common, remaining is x minus 5 is equals to 0. X minus 5 again common, which is equals to 0. And another one, x plus 2 is equals to 0. You will get x is equals to minus 5. Take to this side, it will become plus 5. So another one is x is equals to minus 2. Already they given minus 2. Okay. Minus 2 they given. Remaining is x is equals to 5. So which option is right? Only plus 5. Okay. Not minus 5. Option D is correct. The nature of the root of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equals to 0 is dash. We know the formula delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. Here a is equals to 2, is it right? And b is equals to minus 3, c is equals to 5. Substitute here, b value is minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a value is 2 into C value is 5. 3 3s are 9 minus 4 2s are 8. 8 5s are 40. You will get minus 31. 31 means less than 0. Then roots are real roots do not exist. Real and equal, real and distinct, complex. X minus 31 means real roots does not exist. Which option is right? Option A is correct. Next, 13th sum. The value of the discriminant of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equals to 0. So you're given A is equals to 2, B is equals to minus 7, C is equals to 3. Discriminant delta formula. Delta is equals to B square minus 4AC. The value of B is minus 7 whole square minus 4 into the value of A is 2 into the value of C is 3. 7 7s are 49 minus 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. So 49 minus 24 is 25. So which option is right? Option A is correct. Next sum, 14th question. In the given figure, angle Q is equals to 90 degree, PQ is equals to 8 centimeter, QR is equals to 10 centimeter, PR is equals to 12 centimeter. Then the value of cot 90 minus theta is dash. Cot 90 minus theta is complementary angles. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Is it right? So tan theta is equals to, what is the formula? Look here, they given theta here. Okay. So theta is present here. This one is hypotenuse, right? If theta is present, then this one become opposite side. Okay, don't get confusion. Student will especially confusion in this sum. Okay, if theta is present here, then this is the opposite side. If theta is present here, then this is the opposite side. Okay, if it is opposite, then this one is adjacent. Tan theta is equals to, formula is opposite by adjacent. What is the value of opposite? Opposite value is 10 divided by adjacent value is 8. So cancel this one. 2 4s are 2 5s are 5 by 4. Which option is right? Option C is correct. Next, if 2 cos 2 theta is equals to root 3, then the value of angle theta is dash. So here the given 2 cos 2 theta is equals to root 3. Now simplify this one. 2 cos 2 theta is equals to root 3. Cos 2 theta is equals to root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2. What is the value of cos root 3 by 2? It is 30 degree. Is it right? So 2 theta is equals to 30 degree. 2 1s are 2 15s are. Then value of theta is 50 degree. Which option is right? Option A is correct. I hope all of you understood this one. This one is 2 cos 2 theta is equals to root 3. Then cos 2 theta is equals to root 3. Cos root 3 by 2 is 30 degree. Cancel this one. We will get 15 degree. Option A is correct. Next, 16th sum. 16th sum is here, if secant theta is equals to 7 by 4, then cos theta is equals to what? So we know cos theta, secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta. Then cos theta is equals to reciprocal of secant theta. So reciprocal 7 by 4 become 4 by 7. So which option is right? Option D is correct. Next sum, if secant A minus secant square A is equals to minus 1, then the value of tan square A minus tan to the power of 4A is dash. Here you can write this one as secant A, call this as equation 1. Okay, secant A is equals to minus 1 plus secant square A. Secant A is equals to 1 minus 1 plus secant square A. Trigonometric identities. It is equals to tan square A. So call this as equation 2. Substitute 2 in equation 1. What's the value of secant A? Secant A is tan square A. Substitute in this place. It will become tan square A minus secant A value is tan square A whole square is equals to minus 1. So tan square A minus tan to the power of 4A is equals to minus 1. Did you get the value of this one? Yes. So which option is right? Option D is correct. D is equals to minus 1. Next question. 18th question. Here, in the triangle PQR, angle Q is equals to 90 degree, angle P is equals to 60 degree, and PR is 8 centimeter. Here also observe here, this one is hypotenuse side, opposite to theta. This is the given acute, this one is 60. Then this is opposite side. Then this one is adjacent. Okay. So apply opposite, adjacent by opposite. Let's take tan. Tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. Tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equals to opposite value is x. I will take adjacent value is 8. Okay. Tan 60 degree. What's the value of tan 60 degree? Root 3. Root 3 is equals to x by 8. So you will get x is equals to 8 into root 3 centimeter. So which option is right? Option A is correct. Next sum, 19th question. The distance between the point 2, 3 and 4, 1. So what is the distance formula? D is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So the value of x2 is 4 minus x1 is 2 whole square plus y2 is 1 minus y1 is 3 whole square, which is equals to square root of 4 minus 2 is 2 square plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2 whole square, which is equals to square root of 2 2s are 4 plus 2 2s are 4 is equals to square root of 8. You can write this one as 4 into 2. So 4 into 2 is 2 root 2 units. So which option is right? Option B is correct. Next, the coordinate of a point lying on y-axis. The point is lying only on y-axis. Then x value will become 0. So here, observe here, x value will become 0. So which option is correct? Which option is suitable? Yes, C option is suitable because here x value is 0. The point is only y-axis. So answer option C is correct. The distance between the origin and the point P of x, y is dash. Distance from the origin. What is the formula? Formula is square root of x square plus y square. So option A is correct. Next 22nd question. 22nd question is the coordinate of the midpoint. The given midpoint. So midpoint formula is, what is the formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So this is x1, x1 is 3 and this is y1. This is x2 and this one is y2. Okay. So here substitute the values. x1 is 3 plus x2 is 1 divided by 2, comma, y1 is 2 plus y2 is 4 divided by 2. Simplify this one. 3 plus 1 is 4 by 2, comma, 4 plus 2 is 6. Sorry, not 8. This one is 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 threes are. Answer is 2, 3. So which option is right? Option C is correct. Next, 23rd question. If the average of 30, 42, x and 20 is 40, then the value of x is dash. So mean, is it right? So mean means average. The given mean is 40. Arithmetic mean is 40. 4 subject values, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 divided by number of subjects. Number of subject is 4. 40 is equals to, substitute x1 is 30 plus 42 plus x plus x4 is 20 divided by 4. So cross multiply this one. 40 into 4 is equals to 30 plus 42 plus 20. So what is the answer? 30 plus 20, 50. 50 plus 42 is 90. 2 plus x. 40 plus 4. 40 into 4 is, sorry, not plus, this one is into. 44s are 160 is equals to 92 plus x. X is equals to 160 minus 92. So which option is right? 68, not 78, 68. So which option is right? Option B is correct. So the value of x is 68. Next, 24th question. 24th question is, in the given frequency distribution table, the model class means most repeated frequencies. So which one is there? 7, 10, 21, 6, 4. 21 is the highest frequency here. So model class is 32, 40. So option C is correct answer. The median of 2, 8, 1, 10 and 13 is dash. First, write it in ascending order. 1, first is 1, next is 2, next is 8, next is 10, next is 13. So in between this, which one is the middle number? Middle number is 8. So this is the median. So which option is right? Option A is correct. Next sum, 26th sum. If in two similar triangles with the corresponding sides, if the corresponding sides are in the ratio 4:9, then the area of these triangles are in the ratio. So area of first triangle divided by area of the second triangle, which is equals to square of the corresponding sides. So corresponding sides is 4/9 square, whole square is there. 4 4s are 60 divided by 9 9s are 81. So what is the ratio? 16:81. Which option is right? Option B is correct. Next sum, 27th question is, in this question, AB is equals to 8 centimeter. The given AB length is 8 centimeter. AD length is 4 centimeter. AE length is 6 centimeter. AC length is question mark. Apply corollary of BPT here. AD divided by AB is equals to AE divided by AC. AD length is 4 by AB length is 8, which is equals to AE length is 3 divided by AC. So cross multiply AC is equals to 3 into 8 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are 3 twos are 6 centimeter. So which option is right? Option D is correct. Next, 28th question. In the given figure, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. The length of AB is dash. You need to find out AB length. Observe here, 5 twos are this one. 5 twos are 10. 6 twos are 12. Then again 4 twos are 8. Here only they multiply this one into 2. 5 twos are 10. Okay. Here also into 2. 6 twos are 12. Here 4 into 2. Okay. 4 twos are 8 centimeter. So which option is right? Option D is correct. Next, the length of the sides of some triangles are given below. Identify group that does not form a right angle triangle. Observe here that does not form a right angled triangle. So this one is Pythagoras triplet. We know this one. So 24 square plus 7 square is equals to 25 square. This is the standard form as we know. And check for B. 100 square is equals to 80 square plus 50 square. 100 square is 10,000. 80 square is 64,000. 6,400 plus 50 square is 25,000. When you add this one, it will not equal. Is it right? So which option is right? So this one is correct. This one is because does not. So this is correct option. No need to worry of this. Option B, LHS not equals to RHS. This is not a Pythagoras triplet. So which is the correct answer? Option B is the correct answer. Next, go for 30th question. 30th question is, in the given figure, angle PQR is equals to 90 degree, and here QT perpendicular to PR and PQ is equals to 7 centimeter. PQ is 7, QR is equals to 24 centimeter and PR is equals to 25 centimeter. Then the length of TR. TR, this is question mark. Okay. So here, this is 90 degree. Okay. So this one is the hypotenuse side. You need to find out only this portion. Correct? So this is the hypotenuse side, meet at this point. Okay. Then it will become QR square, this one. Meet at this point. So take this one. So QR square is equals to next hypotenuse side. RT into RP. RT into RP. Now substitute the values. QR square is 24 whole square is equals to RT into RP. RP is equals to how much? 25. So 24 square is 576 is equals to RT into 25. So RT is equals to, because you need to find out TR. Same, RT and TR both are same, which is equals to 576 divided by 25. So when you cancel this one, cancel it, you will get 25 twos are 50. Yes, so 76 is carried. So 3s are 75.05. Yes, 23.05, not 54. Okay. 23.04. So option D is correct. Next, 31 question. Maximum number of tangents that can be drawn from the external point to a circle. So this is the circle, this is the external point. How many tangents you can draw? Only 2 tangents. So which option is right? Option B is correct. Next, 32. In the given figure, angle APO is equals to 40 degree. Then angle POA is dash. Angle POA, this is the question mark. And this is radius. Radius is always perpendicular to tangent. This is 90 degree. So sum of the angle in the triangle, interior angle is equals to 180 degree. Is it right? So 90 plus 40, 130. So 180 minus 130 is 50 degree. So answer is 50 degree. Next question is 33rd question is, In the given figure, AB is equals to 4 centimeter and BO is equals to 5 centimeter. Then the length of, then the radius OA is dash. So here again, apply Pythagoras theorem. This is 90 degree. So 5 square is equals to 4 square plus OA square. 5 5 is 25 minus 16 is equals to OA square. 25 minus 16 is 9 is equals to OA square. OA is equals to radius is equals to how much? Square root of 9, which is equals to 3. So which option is right? Option B is correct. Next, a student construct triangle ABC. Beside AB is equals to 7 centimeter. The given AB is equals to 7 centimeter. BC is equals to 8.5 centimeter. Next, AC is equals to 9 centimeter. Then he constructed a triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC, such that of its side are 3 by 4. This one is very important. Of the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. Then the length of AD. Yes, AD. You need to find out the length of AD. So AD is equals to 3 by 4 times of this length. AD is corresponding to AC. So take AC. 3 by 4 into the value of AC is, AC they given 9. Okay. 9 3s are 27. 27 divided by 4. Divided by 4, which is equals to 6.75. No need to find out another one because here, observe here, 6.75. Only one option is there. Is it right? Then option C is correct. For example, in the second option it is there means, then check for another one is AE also. Okay. Already 6.75, only one option is there. Then no need to find out AD. Easily pick option C. Option C is correct answer. Next sum, 35th sum is, in this sum, in the given figure, angle APB is equals to 70 degree. Then angle AOB is dash. According to quadrilateral property, sum of the opposite angle is equals to 180 degree. There already 60 degree is there. Then this one is 120 degree. 120 degree plus 60 degree, which will give 180 degree. So which option is right? 120 is the correct option. Next, the formula to find the curved surface area of the frustum of the cone. Observe here, if you don't know the formula, frustum of the cone. So how many radius are there in frustum of the cone? 2 radius are present, R1 and R2. Is it right? So this is R1, this one is R2. R1 and R2, you are only present in option C. Okay, choose option C is the correct answer. Pi into R1 plus R2 into L. Next, 37th question. The volume of a solid cone is 90 cubic centimeter. Then volume of the cylinder whose height and radius are same of the cone is dash. So first write out volume. Both the volumes are same. So just a minute. Okay. Volume of the cone. Volume of the cone. Volume of the cone is equals to, just a minute. Volume of the cone is equals to volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder. Both are equal. Okay. Although, sorry, one second. Volume of the cone is 90 centimeter. The volume of the cylinder whose height and radius are same as that of the cone is dash. The given radius and height is same. Volume of the cone is pi r square h divided by 3. And volume of the cylinder. So volume of the cylinder is Volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Is it right? Now, pi r square h divided by 3, which is equals to 90. 90 is equals to pi r square h. So volume of the cylinder whose height and radius are same. Then which option is right? Option C is correct. Just a minute, just a minute. This one is wrong. Sorry. This is wrong. I will do it once again. So here pi r square h divided by 3, pi square r square divided by 3 is equals to 90. The given volume of the cone. So pi r square h is equals to 90 into 3. 90 into 3 is 270. So you need to find out only pi r square h. So pi r square h you got. Pi r square h is 270. So volume of the cylinder is 270. This is not equal. This is full one more portion and this is another portion. So this is not a correct option. Option D is correct. Next, volume of the surface area of the sphere the given radius is 7 centimeter is dash. So surface area of the formula is 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square, you need to find out radius is 7. So 4 into pi value is 22 by 7 into radius is 7 into 7. Because r value they given 7. 7 get cancelled. Multiply this one. If you multiply 22 into 4 is 88. 88 into 7 is 616 cubic centimeter square. Okay. Sorry, this observe your surface area volume is cubic. Because unit also very important. If you put 616 cubic centimeter square, then this one is wrong. Don't get confusion. Here the given surface area, total volume is cubic. Surface area means this one will become square. Okay, square centimeter. So which option is right? Option A is correct. Don't get confusion here. Even unit is also, sorry, this one is also wrong. 616. Okay, 616 square centimeter. Next, 39th question. The measurement that is equals to 1 liter among the following. They given so many choices here. 100 centimeter square. And other one is 1000 cubic centimeter. Next to 10,000 cubic centimeter. Next 1 cubic centimeter. So which option is right? 1 liter convert to centimeter cube. 1 liter is equals to 1000 cubic centimeter. So which option is right? Option B is correct. Next, the radius of the base of the cone is 9 centimeter. Slant end is 15 centimeter. Then height is dash. This is the cone. The given radius, this is radius. Okay. Radius is 9 and height is 15. Okay. Slant height, sorry, not height, slant height. Slant height, they given 50. Find out the height. Okay, consider this one is A, B, C. Or else directly apply formula, slant height formula. L is rate. Okay, up. Take Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. AC value is 15 square is equals to AB radius 9 square plus, just a minute, AB is question mark, not radius. that is not radius. Write down AB is AB. The value of AB is height, or else write down AB square plus BC. Radius is 9 square. 15 15s are 225. So 225 is equals to AB square plus 9 9s are 81. So 225 minus 81 is equals to AB square. So 225 minus 81 is 144 is equals to AB square. AB is equals to root 144. So root 144 is 12 centimeter. So which option is right? Option B is correct. Option D is correct. I hope all of you understood this session. So in this session, we solved 40 questions. Completely we solved set 4. Okay. In next upcoming session, we will solve next model paper. Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.